Hey guys, today is Sunday and it is a very windy day here in northern Arizona. I just wanted to give you a little glimpse into our life on a windy day. You can see my hair in the shadow here. I'm going to be going out to check the chicken run, check on the chickens, check on the garden area, see if there's any wind damage thus far, and it's not looking good. Here's the chicken run. If you see those two posts sticking up, those are not supposed to be outside the shade, the cloth, so we got to fix that. I'm seeing a lot of the framing for the shade cloth in the outside garden is not together anymore. Let's walk around this side. Oh yeah, it looks like some more framing posts. Oh, the fence is down right there. Some framing post has come down that the fence was attached to, so that's why that's fallen. It is so windy, and it's very, very loud for me with the wind. But here you can see, I don't see any plant damage really. We'll have to see how it goes. Look at that dust flying up. Holy cow. It's just been a little crazy. Can't believe how crazy it's been.